All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I pulled out a lot of phones that I hadn't used in a while, and this was one of them. Now, there's no software update like Android Pie or anything like that. It's still on 8.0, and that's fine with me as long as it continues to work. But what I will say is that I'm pretty happy with the update that I just got on the camera. So I'll post some photos that I've taken throughout this video because I want you to actually see the quality. And here's what the camera got. The camera got an update, a software update with portrait mode for the front. And it also got this thing called cutouts. So basically you take a picture of something and it'll cut out the photo and put a black background in it. So you can probably trim it out and, do it, add it somewhere else. But the latest update was the text scanner that I got and cutouts. Now, they don't have green dots by them, by the portrait, the cutouts, and the text scanner because I used them. I didn't use the text scanner, but I used the portrait and the cutout. So the cutout is actually really clean, man. I was just in the room and I was just taking photos, and it's trimming out the object that I'm holding and placing a black background behind it. So I thought that was pretty cool. But again, just check out the photos that I'm probably posting throughout this video so you can see what I'm talking about. But the portrait mode is now on the front camera. Now, I'll be honest and tell you, I hadn't used this phone in quite some time. So I don't know how long portrait has been on the rear camera, but it's really good on both, in my opinion. The fact that it has it, and it's not a feature that I use very often, but it's there. You know what I'm saying? So it's just something nice to have. And I've been using this phone all day for the last 24 hours. And I thought, you know what, I'm getting ready to just put this video out because I just got the update like a few minutes ago, actually. I just got done playing with it. And I thought, man, I got to share this to let those people know who still use the Moto Z2 Force that you got a boss up device there. You know, this is one of my favorites. I chose this one to keep this one over the Moto Z3 because, you know, the Moto Z3 has pretty much the same internals, just different body. And they say it's 5G, but whatever. But portrait mode on the front is really nice. And another option that I see here that I hadn't seen before was live YouTube mode. I don't even recall and maybe I talked about it in another video, but this is a function that so many phones should have. It's crazy. So you can see me right there. I can just do a live stream on YouTube with the phone. And I think that's so hot, man. That's crazy. You see my GoPro Hero 7 Black is what I'm recording this with right there. Boom, boom, boom. I love this little camera for quick videos like this. I'm not even using wide angle, and the field of view is so wide, man. I'm less than one hand's length away from this camera, man. And I got big hands, I'll say that. But, you know, the live feed here, I might do a live stream from this. I don't know. But I really like that it's got all of my stuff already set in there, all the stuff that I have set. You can go to advanced settings, allow chat. You can do enable monetization. Yeah, of course I'm going to label that. Come on now. And it's pretty crazy that this is something that you can have right on this phone, and other high-end phones don't have it. And that's kind of a shock to me. But I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, I hope you enjoyed the pictures that I put up from portrait mode and cutout. And I didn't test the text scanner, but I will be testing the YouTube live function because I think that's really nice. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.